Hi, my name is Pamela and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about 28-day keto challenge before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about 28-day keto challenge is, be careful with the website you're going to buy 28-day keto challenge from, because it's only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is 28-day keto challenge and does it actually work? The keto diet is not just a diet, it is a lifestyle change. And the results are astounding. Our 28-day keto challenge is famous for results. Be lighter and thinner, it's not uncommon to drop 4+ jean sizes. Have more energy than you've felt in years, sleep better and wake up more rested, notice your skin and hair improve. Have more mental clarity and sharpness, feel a sense of accomplishment. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Everything is delivered digitally, so you can get started right away. Many clients lose up to 3 inches from their waist within the first week. The 28-day keto challenge is a well-crafted plan that gets you through your first month. You're never left to figure things out on your own. Nothing is left to chance. Our 28-day meal plan guides you every step of the way. And it's more than a plan. It's also a challenge. It's designed to stretch you and see what you're made of. With our help, you will be unstoppable. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy 28-day keto challenge from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that 28-day keto challenge actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.